I'm Jade, and some of you might know me from Sign Along With Us, which is an account that I have with my brother, Christian, where we teach a sign a day and we also do signing to songs. So if you don't know us from that, please go and subscribe. The link will be here. Just click on it and subscribe to that channel. Give us some love. We just do it to try and spread awareness of signing. Right, so on to this channel. So this is the Inclusive Family channel. Because of all the videos me and my brother have been putting up, we've been doing a few of our family and everyone has loved them and said, please will you do a family channel? They're so funny, they're so nice. So I persuaded them, and it took some time, but I persuaded them to start this channel. So my whole family's involved now, and they're going to help me with my channel called Inclusive Family, and for short, the Inc Fam. So we're going to be doing pranks, challenges, we're going to be doing reviews on toys and SEN equipment and things because my brother has special needs. We're going to be doing like vlogging our everyday today stuff, and we're going to be doing lots more exciting things. Oh, and makeup reviews as well, because there is 3 teenage girls, so makeup and clothes reviews will come into it at some point. So this is our first ever video, and I've come up with a challenge to introduce my family to you guys. I'm not sure how they're going to feel about it, especially for the first one, because it includes slime. I'm so excited. We're never normally allowed to play with slime, but we had to because it's the challenge. Right, so what I'm going to get everyone to do is, I'm going to get the kids to sit down, and us adults, we're going to ask them some quick fire questions, and the last one to answer is going to get slimed. And then we're going to swap round, the kids are going to ask the adults, and at the end we're all going to stand in a line, because I'm going to buy white t-shirts, and we're going to see who looks like they got the most slimed. And the person who got the least slimed is going to get to dump a secret surprise on them. Shh. So I'm going to go and get ready, then I'm going to hit the shops and get everything that I need. Oh, hey! So we just get in the car, haven't we? And we're about to set off to the shop. So these guys are giving me a lift. I'm sure you guys are on your way out anyway, aren't you? Yeah. And then I'm going to buy all of the stuff. And you don't know about it. Yeah. It's a secret. Yeah. And yeah, normally I always let Christine in on the secrets because he's really good at keeping them. You know. But this time I'm not. I'm keeping my lips sealed. Yeah. Have a kiss. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. You are so cute. Every night I lay in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me away. Oh, isn't Christian doing absolutely amazing with his signing? He is so clever. We love singing and signing in the car, don't we, Christian? Yeah. Do we have fun? Yeah. You are so cute. Blow a kiss. He's so clever. He's so clever. Hey, so I've just made it to the outdoor shopping centre, and I'm not really sure what shops are gonna like sell the things that I need. So I need some white t-shirts. I think Primark, I'm gonna go in for them. And slime. There's an entertainer shop that sells all toys and things. So I think I'm gonna go look in there now for the slime. Hey, so I'm in the entertainer and basically I've had a good look around and I've asked at the desk, and there's jelly play, which basically you add the solution in here to water and it makes it like green jelly slime liquid. So I actually did want a bigger one, but this is the only one they have and it's the last one. So I'm lucky enough to have managed to get this. So it's not what I initially wanted, like it's not as big as I initially wanted, but I think it will be enough to make enough slime for us all. And if not, then I'm gonna go and look in some other shops now anyway, see if they've got it. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna use. So it's jelly play and I'm very excited. Hey, so I'm in Primark now and I'm just getting the white t-shirt. So I've managed to find some in the women's and now I've just got to go and find some in the men's for my dad and the kids for Christian. So I'm in the kids section now and I'm just looking. Oh, these shorts are so cute. So I'm just looking for a white t-shirt for Christian and literally like, oh my gosh, look at these Buzz Lightyears because of the new Toy Story. Like I just can't even cope. I literally want to buy everything for Christian. Like they would look so cute on our holiday, but I've got to control myself. I'm just here for white t-shirts and I've had a good look, and the most white plain t-shirt that I can find is this one. It's got Dude on the front, but I don't really think it matters, so I'm gonna get in this one. It's very cute, so if the slime washes out he could probably reuse that again, but he'd probably get it messy pretty quick. So that's all done. Let's get home and get on with the challenge. I'm so excited to tell everyone what I've got them doing. Okay, so I'm just coming outside. I've got all my family sat out here and I'm gonna tell them what we're doing. So guys, I know you've all been waiting to see, and what we're doing is we're doing an introductory video what includes slime.
No slime! Slime.
We're not allowed slime in the house, so that's why I'm gonna do the video outside.
Bad slime.
Well, we're using it. So basically what we're going to do is, it's going to be the kids are going to be lined up and I'm going to say to them, like, ask them different questions, and whoever answers the last, like whoever takes longest to answer loses, and we get to squirt them with slime.
No way.
So if you all want to line up over there, because I've got you some white t-shirts and you're gonna put them on. So then we can see who's the most covered in slime, because the most covered in slime will get a surprise at the end. The adults are.
You just said kids?
Yeah, I said it'll be the kids and then the adults.
Jade, I've just had a shower.
No way!
We're getting slimed! Okay guys, so I've got the
No slime!
white t-shirt. Yes, slime.
No
So
slime!
let's go and put them on. Everyone click fingers.
No slime!
Hey! We're in our white t-shirts, ready to go. Me and Christian are just gonna go and make the slime.
No slime! No slime!
Yeah.
No slime!
Christian says,
What do you say? Slime!
yeah.
No slime!
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
No.
Groups. Hi. So I know I told you that I got this jelly play, but I actually found these booger balls things, but it basically turns into slime, and then you put them into like this little train. It turns them into booger balls. So I think we're just gonna make a big pot of slime instead and not put them into the balls. So I've got the booger ball mix and I literally don't know what I'm doing, just winging it. We're just using it to throw at each other, so it don't really matter anyway. Just gonna pour it all in. I will show you this in a minute. That is disgusting. Let me just get the other one. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my god, will you open that please? That is gross. Yeah, it is. And then grab, I think one of them's yellow and one of them's green. So we'll be easily able to see which one is the most disgusting out of all of us. So these are like safe to eat, and well, I mean obviously you won't want to eat them, but they're safe for kids and everything, so it's fine for Christian. It's not gonna, they're not chemical or anything. I mean obviously they must be to be turning into slime, but they're non-toxic. So yeah, here's the slimy water. Just need to mix it all in. I'll show you in here in a minute. And I think I might put a little bit of this in, because that's what makes it harder. And I'm literally winging it, as I said. Could you please open that one? She's got my mum there opening the packets for us, and she's literally going behind the camera. And what's she doing? Because she does not want to get this slime thrown at her. Oh gosh, I feel like I'm going to be at a disadvantage because I'm going to end up touching my t-shirt and like making myself slimy already. Pour a little bit of this in, because that's what actually makes it all go slimy. And then put one last bit. I'm going to add this in as well, and we're just going to put our hand in and throw it at the loser. It's all in and all mashing up together. Would you grab the camera and just show down here? Oh, it actually smells delicious. So it looks like a little cauldron. It's very watery, but look at that. Do you want to try? Yeah. Put your hand in. Say, ew. Oh, Christina, you're getting yourself covered in it already. Right, I'll see you outside. Don't know what my dad's going to think about this. So, I'm going to show my dad now and the rest of the guys what they're going to be doing. Only me, my mum and Christine have seen. What we're going to be...
It is slime and all slimy, look at that.
So, Daddy, are we allowed to play with slime?
No.
Wrong answer.
That's it.
No. Wait for the challenge. Wait for the challenge. Ah, let's start the challenge. Okay, so us three. I'm classed now because I'm 18. We're gonna. we're gonna be asking the questions, and the last to answer out of you two, out of them two girls. It's not our turn to get slimed. We're going to be asking the questions, and the last out of them two girls to answer is going to get slimed. Okay. And then we're going to give Christian his own little just spat. His own little questions, because we don't want to slime him for nothing. Okay, girls. Yeah. What's your favourite colour? Pink. Hey! Lucy, get slime!
Don't even think of doing that to me, lad.
Right. Oh, did you not touch your t-shirt? Sorry. Right. Next.
Look at him. Was that what you did?
Next question. And this one's to Christian. How old are you? 4. And he got it right. Okay. The next question is favourite animal. Dog. Hey, Candy.
A lion does that count?
Slime.
If a lion does it count? My favourite animal's
Right, you can do the slime. No, you just got to answer quickest. But what is actually your favourite animal?
a llama.
Oh, okay.
I say
Right.
llama.
One for Christian. Christian, am I your favourite sister?
Yeah.
Right answer. Next question is, what's your favourite movie?
Donald Trump. Dolphin tail.
Right, yours wasn't a movie.
Hey, hold it, rubbish. I'm having you for that. Have a bit of that, son.
It was the first thing that came to
What's your actual favourite movie?
Go and get it on a t-shirt.
To all the boys I've loved before.
Oh, that is a classic.
Oh, what the bloody hell's that? That's not a movie. That's a lot of poo-poo, that. Oh! That's it, give me that pal.
We need it for the rest of the challenge. There's slime everywhere. Oh, right, stop. Right, we're going to have a crossover. and then we're going to get back to more questions on you. So it's your guys' turn to ask us, and then we'll go back to you. 3, 2, 1, swap.
How are you feeling?
Scared.
Right, Candice, are you ready for the first question?
Oh, yeah.
no.
Oh, no.
What's the first
Who gets
question?
to answer?
The last person to answer gets slimed. Or is it the last two?
Last.
Oh,
Just the
wow.
Okay, first question is, what's your favourite football team?
Oh! Time.
Where's your favourite place to go?
London.
New York.
Go on. Get it. Throw it at Mummy.
One,
Throw it.
Throw it!
Just you throw it.
Yay!
Do you want to rub some on me?
Oh, that.
What's your favourite programme?
Match of the
Prince got talent, anything.
Not the face.
You deserve that. It's all coming up. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, switch.
Okay, round 2. This is the final round for the kids. And your question is, who is your favourite singer?
Jessie J.
She's lying. She's lying.
We said it doesn't matter, but you just got to tell us the truth after.
Okay, I'll tell you the truth.
I just say I love going to New York. I've never been to New York.
Right.
Who's your actual favourite singer?
Megan Trainor
Who-
or Blackpink.
Oh, and who's your favourite?
You won't want to know mine.
Go on.
Bugsy Malone.
Oh, God. Right. Next question. Have you got one?
King in it.
Have you got one? Oh, let's do one for Christian. Christian, if you was wearing a football t-shirt and I said, kiss the badge, what would you do? Kiss the badge. Yay! He got it right. Next one.
Good lad.
What's your favourite food?
Chocolate.
Oh.
Good decide, draw. One. I think Christine got there now as well.
Christian, I've got another question for you. How do you sign ball? Yay! Oh!
Anything.
Favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla. Chocolate.
You got some of those.
Right then, and we're swapping over. No.
Now it's the final round for the adults.
Wow.
Right. So
I've
your first
stuck to
question
the hands,
is,
man.
what's your favourite chocolate bar?
Galaxy.
I wasn't even ready, man. I didn't even hear the question. I just thought you could
Mine's
it.
Galaxy Ripple.
Yeah, probably mine.
Okay.
Like, they were really slimy just for that to be the favourite chocolate.
No.
Okay. What's your favourite?
Yeah, that's
Right, I need to listen now because I got.
What's your favourite food country?
India.
India.
Ah, I beat you.
Right, last question. Are you ready?
the last question of the whole thing.
Hello, way, yeah.
That's pressure.
Well, take the rocks, man. What is it? Have some grass.
I'll have to really hard on that belly. Anyone will know. Right. What's the capital city of Antarctica?
Hasn't got a capital
That's an
city,
answer.
Antarctica. Right, that's it. What the-
No.
What?
Okay, wait. We need to see
What?
who is the most covered in slime and the least covered in slime first. So everybody, before you cheat, everybody stand in a line. We're going to prop up the camera and we're going to have a good look. Okay, guys, so the loser, but we all decided that my dad is the winner.
We're the winner, chicken dinner.
And he's got to look at who is the loser.
I already know.
We all know.
We all
And
know.
the loser is going to get the rest of the slime board on
I
their
think it's-
head. No, it's
Is it
not.
down under? No. Is it loose? No. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Yeah. Nothing's happening. That's it. Slime. Slime, boy. Slime. Slime. Slimer. Slimy slime. Slime. Slimy slime. No.
Thank you.
I think I missed a bit.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Blow kisses.
Hi. So, everyone else is having a shower to get it all off. But I thought, since I literally just had a shower before, I thought I might as well get hose pipes. So here.
Hey, old pipe time, baby. Woo! I'm a bit of that, baby. Woo! I'm coming out. I'm a bit of that.